I am currently obsessed with these bodysuits. I have one in black and I also have one in navy. I am a size 18, 20, just depending. This one is the 3XL and this one is the 2XL. I think I like the 2XL better because it is tight around here. It holds everything in. It just kind of gives me that more flat, sucked in look, which I like. I do like to wear them with a baggy pair of jeans and like a kimono on top. I think if I were wearing it without the kimono, however, I would prefer the 3XL because I think the 2X is a bit tight in my arms. Whereas the 3XL, like I have a little bit more give, it's a little bit more loose. But because I do wear this over top, for me, it doesn't matter what my arms look like because you don't see them anyway. I love the scoop neckline there. I think it's very flattering. And the bottom is a thong and it has a clasp for you, easy to put it on and obviously to go to the bathroom. So yeah, if you are looking for one, I definitely recommend this one. They're great.